For their nachos, generous ang portioning niya. Good for 3 to 4 or 4 persons. Depende, pero marami yung portions. Yung meat nila, hindi ganun na ka-teaspoon. Marami yung meat. And in fairness, okay yung amount ng toppings. At good news dito, pwedeng magpa-add ng cheese sauce in case na maubusan o makulangan ka. Pero yung sauce nila, it's a bit mild. Yung nacho chips nila, normal nacho chips naman. And with jalapeno na sobrang dami. Dahil love namin ng jalapenos, good job dun. So, we'll rate the nachos a 4/5. Mga kanom-nom sa bacon burger nila, it's not the normal size burger. Medyo malaki siya. The bun is sweet. 100% beef patty rin siya. So, hindi siya yung joke na 100% beefy. So, reminder lang, magkaiba yung 100% beefy and 100% beef. Pero yun, generous amount of veggies and malinis yung vegetable.